Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome LO1. Understand the structure of the visual system. Today, we will explore how we perceive the world around us by examining the structure and function of the visual system and how visual perception plays a crucial role in understanding our environment. The eye is a marvel of biological engineering. It includes the cornea, lens, iris, and retina. The cornea and lens focus light onto the retina. The iris controls the light entering the eye. This process forms images on the retina, initiating visual perception. The retina is located at the back of the eye. It contains photoreceptor cells that convert light into signals. These signals are then processed by bipolar and ganglion cells. This forms a complex transduction system. The retina acts as a biological transducer for neural impulses. Visual information travels through neural pathways. It starts from the retina and reaches the visual cortex. The optic nerve, chiasm, and tracts are involved. The lateral geniculate nucleus plays a role too. This process culminates in the primary visual cortex. The visual system enables perception and interpretation. It detects shapes, colors, and motion. These features are integrated into complex representations. This allows object recognition and navigation. The visual system facilitates meaningful interpretation of the world. Sensory adaptation is key in visual processing. It adjusts to changing environmental stimuli. This ensures responsiveness to light and motion changes. Feedback mechanisms optimize perception. Sensory adaptation highlights the dynamic nature of visual processing. Contrast processing discerns luminance levels. It distinguishes light and dark variations. Neural mechanisms amplify these variations. This enhances object boundaries and contours. Contrast processing enriches visual perception. Color processing deciphers the spectrum of wavelengths. It allows perception of diverse colors. Neural circuits are responsible for this process. Color, discrimination, and constancy are key aspects. This ensures consistent color perception across contexts. Feature processing integrates shapes, patterns, and textures. It constructs coherent perceptual experiences. Neural processes extract and integrate features. This aids in object recognition and mental representation. Understanding feature processing unravels visual complexities. Neuroplasticity adapts the visual system. It learns from visual experiences. Synaptic connections modify through experience. This influences adaptation to changing circumstances. Neuroplasticity optimizes visual processing over time. The visual system comprises several components. The eye, retina, and pathways are key. They enable perception and interpretation. Sensory adaptation and contrast processing are crucial. These elements form the foundation of visual perception. The eye's components work in harmony. The cornea and lens focus light. The iris regulates light entry. The retina converts light into signals. These components initiate the visual process. The retina transduces light to neural signals. Photoreceptor cells play a key role. Bipolar and ganglion cells process signals. This forms a sophisticated system. The retina initiates neural impulses for perception. Signals travel from the retina to the cortex. The optic nerve and chiasm are involved. The lateral geniculate nucleus processes signals. The primary visual cortex is the endpoint. This pathway is crucial for visual processing. The visual system enables recognition and navigation. It detects basic features like shapes and colors. These are integrated into complex representations. This aids in object recognition and environmental navigation. The visual system interprets the external world. Sensory adaptation adjusts to environmental changes. It ensures responsiveness to light and motion. Feedback mechanisms play a role. Sensory adaptation optimizes perception. This dynamic process is crucial for visual processing. Contrast processing discerns light and dark. It enhances object boundaries. Neural mechanisms amplify variations. This enriches visual perception. Understanding contrast is vital for perception. Color processing deciphers wavelengths. It allows diverse color perception. Neural circuits handle this process. Color discrimination and constancy are key. This ensures consistent perception across contexts. Feature processing integrates visual elements. Shapes, patterns, and textures are key. Neural processes extract and integrate features. This aids in object recognition. Understanding feature processing unravels visual complexities. Neural plasticity adapts the visual system. It learns from experiences. Synaptic connections modify through experience. This influences adaptation to circumstances. Neural plasticity optimizes visual processing. Visual processing involves multiple mechanisms. Sensory adaptation and contrast processing are key. Color and feature integration play roles. Neural plasticity ensures adaptability. These processes enable perception and interpretation. In conclusion, visual perception is a complex process that involves the eye, the retina, and neural pathways in the brain. Understanding how these elements work together enriches our perception of the world around us and deepens our appreciation of how we interpret visual information. For any questions, contact us on WhatsApp at 07484361 688. See you at the next session, and thank you for your attention.